gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Yeah. Are you gonna be in love with me? I want you and need you to be. Yeah. Are you gonna be? 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 Well, still in love, so in love, still in love. Are you gonna?
What if I told you life is a beautiful?
I'm not gonna lie, 5-star rating, dude.
You get advice with it?
Has they got Halloween thingies in there?
Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Momo, back again with another vlog. Guys, it has been a long time no see, but hi, I am back. I am back. I am back. It is November. Is it the 2nd? The 2nd of November. It is my birthday month, so we're back vlogging. I'm in this lovely restaurant with my friend. We've just eaten some. Thank you. Thank you.
Enjoying it. If you need anything else, please give a shout.
Thank you. We're just gonna pay for the bill and then we're gonna go shopping. Oh, I've been here. They do like, yeah, we should come. I've been here, you know, they had like loads of burger band things. Very cute. So guys, this is Peace Hall. Very cutesy, very demure. And we're just gonna have a look in a few shops.
There's a little gem shop. My kid used to come and buy it. It's on the other end. It sells gems and stuff like that. Look at Baby. The little dog.
It's so cute. It is nice.
Oh, that's lovely. Cute, isn't it? Like organic.
Okay.
Yeah, this is gem.
Oh yeah, it smells so nice.
Incense in it.
Bought some incense repellent, some lemongrass corn incense that you can burn, and it gives off like a scent that keeps all the insects away. So excited about that, and it smells nice. And I got it for £2. They were £1 each. So yeah, just carrying on looking around. Look. welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Momo back again with another vlog. Today's Sunday, the 3rd of November, and I'm just gonna get ready. I think I'm gonna do a quick beat on my face of makeup. I did my hair the other day, I just laid it down again, and I think I need to straighten the rest of my hair because it's not straightened. But yeah, I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna do a quick beat on my face. Happy Sunday, guys. I hope you guys are having a beautiful Sunday. It is so dark, and it's like, what time is it? It's not even late. It's 5:26. Outside is pitch black, like dark. If you're living in the UK, you know the vibes. Like, I'm not even joking. Look, that is the vibe. I'm gonna get ready really quickly, and I'm gonna go out for some dinner because a girl is getting took out for some dinner. So come with me for dinner. I don't know where we're going. It's last minute, so yeah, I'm just rushing, getting ready.
You gonna be, say that you're gonna be. Yeah. Are you gonna be in love with me? I want you and need you to be. Yeah. Are you gonna be? 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 Well. Still in love, so in love, still in love with you. Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Still in love, so in love, still in love with you. Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Yeah. Are you gonna be in love with me?
Yeah, just 3. Why are you sitting over there? On your phone?
Look at t-shirt, she got eyes on it.
Do you want my eyes?
We all got like 3 each, yeah.
Thank you.
Do you know what I mean? It's my fault.
Cheers, guys.
We're just saying the same thing.
So I'm at the restaurant now with the girls. So we are at Turkish. I said Turkish something, I don't know what I just said, but I said classic Persian. We just ordered food. When it comes, I'll show you what I got. We're having a drink. These are drinking theirs with lemonade. I'm drinking mine with Coke. We're drinking Captain Morgan spiced rum. Because you're allowed to drink in here, you're allowed to bring your own drink, which is the perks. Look how beautiful it is in here, guys. I'm gonna show it. You've probably seen it already if you watch my vlogs, but I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you guys again.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Seems like a
Thank you. Yeah, that's me.
Yes. Thank you. Everybody's cool.
CC Gucci, gon' take her whatever she want. She piss me outside, she still get whatever she want. Talking about a nigga from the Nella as a home. Hit it in the shower, made her tell me what she want. Like I'm singing Miss, I made her tell me what she want.
We're gonna have dessert. We're having dessert, guys. We're gonna have some dessert. I don't even know what I want, but I know that I want ice cream. I want ice cream and bacava. Ice cream's £5.
Ice cream £5. Fuck off. I'll get the club out. This is mine. Thank you. Thank you.
Going back for this.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, guys. Oh, yeah. Yeah, where's that? The claver, yes. My absolute fave.
How about
Oh, so excited.
Maybe what if you're doing it going in, you go like this.
I'm in heaven right now. In heaven. Oh, the cake is warm. Of course you can.
Oh, that looks very moist.
Very moist. You like it?
Yeah.
Nice to hear.
Really not single.
Guys, tasting this.
You know, Matilda, you know when that big factory, that big chocolate cake?
Matilda cake.
Yeah.
Matilda cake.
Looks a bit like that.
Have you ever actually tried Matilda cake?
Yeah. Go Shirley. Go Shirley.
It's
Shake
your
it.
birthday.
Yeah. Go Shirley. Turn it round now. Back it up now. Turn it down now. Yeah. Salsa now. Salsa now. Shake it down now. Shake it. Whoa. We're about to leave. But we had such a nice time. I'm going still with alcohol and coke. And yeah, we're about to go.
I don't blame you for that shit. I don't know if that ring, you know. I bought the ring, Shelly, and I can't find it already.
What?
I bought that ring and I can't find it already.
Going with the
I'm
crazy
in my
guys.
sleep. I'm not being.
Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mama Alicia back again with another vlog. Today is the 5th of November and you know what that means. Bonfire night. So I'm here burning things in my back garden. Mama B is here getting me to burn some things and I just thought I'd just turn my camera on and vlog. Finished work late, so I've not been to any bonfire night tonight, but I know that there's probably fireworks and stuff on the weekend as well, so you never know, I might go somewhere on the weekend. But yeah, so I'm just here burning rubbish. Some stuff that needs burning. I really need to get up. I am just literally bed rotting. I've got a customer coming to my house in the next 20-25 minutes to come collect a lash bed. So there's a few things that obviously you guys know I always talk about it on my vlog that I do sell on Vinted. I sell on other platforms as well. And on a different platform, I think it was Facebook, that I uploaded this lash bed. So you guys know that I did lashes. I still do lashes, but not as much as I used to do. So I've got so much equipment, lash bed, everything. I've got waxing kit, everything. Like, I've literally got everything to do with lashes. So this lady asked me this morning if she can come to my house and collect it. So I said to her, yeah, that's fine. She said she's going to come for 1 o'clock. It is nearly 1 o'clock. So I'm going to have to take the lash bed from under, because it's underneath my bed. So I'm going to take it out and get it all set up, take it downstairs, get it all set up for her at the front door, so that when she comes, she can just take it from the front door. I'm not at work today. So yeah, I've just got a few errands to run. I've got to get up and sort this lash bed out, make sure that everything's all right. It's got its parts and everything. And then yeah, we're gonna see how the day goes. I need to cook today. I actually need to cook today. So I'm thinking I might go into town. I might go into town and go to the meat market to get some meat, cook some meat. I'm feeling some curry chicken. Don't know what I'm gonna cook it with though. I might have curry chicken and like vegetables, because I've got carrots, I've got broccoli downstairs. I might have it with vegetables, but I'm not too sure what I'm gonna have it with. I probably will actually. Curry chicken, broccoli, carrots, corn. What other vegetable can I put in there? We'll figure it out, but yeah, I think that is the plan for today. So I actually just need to get up now and sort myself out. Look at the state of my hair. My hair is a mess. I fell asleep without a bonnet on. How mental is that? But yeah, outside is very dim. It's about, what time is it now? Because I have to move. Oh my god, right, okay. So this lady will be here in the next 20 minutes. It's 12:39. So I need to get a move on now. So guys, I never even finished off the vlog after the lady came and picked up the lash bed. A parcel came and I was just looking in the parcel. I was getting so excited. I was like, shh, I forgot. But oh my god, I got so much stuff in a Shein parcel. You know what it's like when a Shein parcel comes. I get too excited. I ordered some new like makeup stuff, so I was just trying it out and seeing. I should have really recorded a haul. That's what I should have done, but I didn't. I got too excited. I opened it immediately. I was like, yeah, I need to see what's going on because I've waited too long. But yeah. So I decided to finish off the night by doing my nails. Obviously, I told you that a Shein order came, so I got some bits in my Shein order and I had to do my nails. I'm just starting out, so don't come for me. I tried a thing on my nails and they are so pretty. I really, really like the design of this. Like, I'm gonna do this again.
What if I told you life is a beautiful moment?